Right. I've got my 2015 Ford F-350 Power Stroke diesel, 6.7 liter. It's got about 86,000 miles on it. This truck is in great shape. It's the Lariat FX4 off-road trim. It's equipped currently with the fifth wheel hitch and the TFI transfer flow tank, which gives it a total of about an 80-gallon total capacity. So you got well over 1,000-mile capacity on this bad boy on a single tank, about 1,200 miles. I typically get about 15 miles per gallon on this with highway driving, towing or not. I tow a big fifth wheel with this and I don't even feel it. It's a great truck. I'm also selling my fifth wheel with it. If you're interested, hit me up. I can show you both. But on the inside here, the interior is in excellent shape. There's one very, very small tear on the passenger side right here. Very, very minor. Everything else, the leather is in really good shape. We've got seat heaters and seat AC up front. Got the entertainment center. That all works great. Let's see what else. It's got all the features of the Lariat. I'll include them in the description. Back seat. Seats are in good shape. You got storage under those seats over there. I'll finish it off. A couple little minor tiny dings here and there, but otherwise this truck is in really great shape. It runs and drives great. I'll go ahead and start it for you. There we go. 86,645 miles. Got four-wheel drive on this guy. You got the tow assist. You got 4 auxiliary setups here. Aux 1 runs your transfer tank over here, which gives you a status of the extra tank in the back and automatically tops it off. Works great. Really good for times when gas prices are high. You don't have to fill up for a long time if you're not driving a ton. All right, hit me up if you want to see anything else.